Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys are all here with me today. Please forgive my voice as I am just getting well. But because I was sick, I actually had the privilege of just staying home and just relaxing. In my previous video, I did a little warm-up. It's a painting of this bush that I found while I was on a walk. In the process of painting it was just so relaxing. I just wanted to see if I could do it again in a bigger fashion with a little more execution. I drew a quick sketch in my sketchbook and was hoping to add more detail to this recreation. Honestly, just painting it was so much fun. Anytime I redo a painting or a sketch, whether it's big or small, I tend to learn something new, and I always have more intentions and guidance when starting it. So when I go into it, I get to appreciate the new aspects of each painting. Honestly, just making the flowers was my favorite part. They're all different shapes and super wonky, and it was just so much fun to play around with. And I just love this color palette and all the colors together. I got to spend all day painting and relaxing. Well, and napping. It was a very lazy day, but I'm on the verge of recovery. Yay! But this next sketch I did is from a picture that I just had on my phone, and honestly it just looked like something really fun to do. So I watered down some acrylics and I used them like watercolor. I think halfway through this I stopped looking at the picture and was just having fun throwing paint down and just enjoying the process of putting the brush strokes on the page.